Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you change the measurement units in the AtlasNavi application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the settings. Press on it and in this page you will find the settings as the second option. Press on that as well. And you can scroll down a little bit here and you will see the general settings category, and the very first setting will be appearing to you, which is the measurement units. Just press on it and you can switch between two kind of measurement units. One of them is the miles and the other is the kilometers. Now usually the United States use the miles measurement units, and most of the other countries use kilometers. Now you can select any of these depending where you live, and after that you can just go out and it will be set like that. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.